46th annual Fair-Cum Fish Crop Competition 2025 kicked off this morning at Hapta, Kangjeibung with an aim of selling 150,000 kilograms of fishes through 141 stalls. The inaugural function of the fish fair was graced by Additional Chief Secretary Vivek Kumar Dewangan, Commissioner Fisheries Haubam Rosita, and Special Secretary Nita Arambam as the main dignitaries. Speaking on the sidelines, Fisheries Director T. Pulen called for promotion of local fish farmers and enhancing fish production in the state, emphasizing that fish has been a part and parcel of any event for Manipuri communities. He highlighted that Manipur imports large number of fish from other states to meet its annual consumption of 64,000 metric tons. The director added that the Fisheries Department has been making sincere efforts to increase the fish productivity in the state from time to time. He also expressed discontentment over the failure to meet the demands of sareng fish in the fish fair despite showing a huge increase in its productivity from last year.
Mapan nga sabi de sirap ko de ko Manipur nga si sabi yo kay gina hakala mapan nga si da yalakli ba chemical sing se pum da ba hida khapak ko na ko gi nga sing se almost ko Imphal jaw ko matam da sa ba da consumption to da health am hazardous way at ko gi local gi fish farmer promoter view fishery department amadi fish farmers me am gi hona zaman da gi ko tungan bi ukabi ngaton pengba matik sana pangbang ame admain to na ko ino no ba pilot project ko na ngaki zo se ko yok na ba gi ko gi CIFV Mumbai ka Memorandum of Understanding signed correct na ngaki zo mathang na puthorak na bahona jari Loktak livelihood mission program dege ko na case culture pen culture atna ko na initiative na hojekti Loktak tasu ngaki puthok pasi yam hengale atna ko 20,000 metric ton gi gap se chahi manga mukki matung de ko se gi gap se mit to banga maga Manipur da ngaki production se ko isai tom the self sustain bangam jara ka ko gi demand na puthok pangam gani haibi gi thajab se le